Confederation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya fastom kabadangdon hapring kicing hi persya dak ba omtre ben trelang ba soka jala nama kicing bom orlong kicing dawa kelakentu kino hikai ki school managing committee ki kbe ki pa ba kina school bani sha lang bat ki hagani kicing hi Confederation klasimrai ka arfar trek yong arjar arfar ban boycott sim class hi khna ba kumju ban lek penbe ki paper exam matric ba class 12 kum kadak kicing persya ek sarkar ba claim skap kicing dawa ban penhe kentu tulop kino hikai school ad hoc
ngi naka CEC ibu kicing kerpat dagajing smurid hakmat jong ki school management hakmat jong ki kimi ki pa barki khna school jong hi ki bang hi kai ngiban ni kerpat ri de pi subhaban ya sha ing shipor lakata banai kata senem ngilaya sha ya kajing kuman jong sarkar bat ngilaya sha ru mentala la shibana shiteng bat ngilaya up shitom ru hadu banakut ki exam klaim don kena guna kucing penwit ya ki exam ki bala kabala yat baik bat ki bala pendat klaim kena guna kucing thun exam SSLC but HSSLC te kini kino hikai nakaleng kino hikai ngila sim karai bangin penthut ik exam bat ngin ap hadu bandakut ke exam tingkat tu ngila yaisha hadu bandakut ke exam bat menta ngimban sesu ban sim sedakane pat kawe kasin jam hak bangi hap ban boycott ya ki kelas ban ngi hap ban boycott ya ki evaluation namar ka jingkuman jong ka sarkar.
I've come before you today to appeal before the management, before parents and our dear students. It has been 1 long month that we have been agitating, and now we are compelled to take a drastic step, taking into consideration the exams that has been going on, the SSLC and the HSLC exams. We do not take any stringent step from first term because we did not want to disturb the ongoing exams. But now we are compelled to take a drastic step, the non-cooperation movement. So we humbly appeal before you all to stand by us in the fight for our rights. Please be with us and cooperate with us. Thank you.